The key idea of a hash table is to use a hash function to map keys to buckets. So to be more specific, when we insert a new key, the hash function will decide which bucket the key should be assigned, and the key will be stored in the corresponding bucket. So when we want to search for a key, the hash table will use the same hash function to find the corresponding bucket and search only in this specific bucket. The hash function is the most important component of a hash table, which is used to map the key to a specific bucket. So here we have a hash function. Y is assigned to the remainder of the x divided by 5. Well, x is the key value and y is the index of the assigned bucket. Let's go through insertion strategy. We pass the keys through hash function to map them into corresponding buckets. So here, 1987 is assigned to the bucket 2, while 24 is assigned to the bucket 4. And then, let's go through search strategy. We pass the keys through the same hash function, and we search only in the specific bucket. So if we search for 1987, we will use the same hash function to map 1987 to 2. So we search in bucket 2, and we successfully find out that 1987 is in that bucket, but if we search for 23, we will map 23 to 3 and search in bucket 3, and we will find out that 23 is not in the bucket 3, which means 23 is even not in this hash table. If our hash function is a perfect one-one mapping, we won't need to handle collision, but unfortunately, in most cases, collisions are almost inevitable. Both 1987 and 2 are assigned to bucket 2. That is a collision.